Alka ma'am, you.
Yes, ma'am. We can start.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. A very good afternoon, all of you present here. First of all, any good function cannot be started without the blessings of Almighty. So I would like to request the IT team to please and kindly play a virtual prayer and a lightning of lamp. Please, IT team.
तो एक चीज दिखाओ तो मुझे आज के सरस्वती पूजन ऐसा करा दिया
आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
Thank you so much, IT team. Now, I would like to welcome Honorable Chairman, Sir, respected guest speakers, session chair, and all the dignitaries present here on the validation function of the National Conference on Developing Green and Value-Based Business Ecosystem. Towards continuation of the program, I would like to call Professor Subhash Masih, sir, for welcome address. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Par Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Nama. First of all, we would like to welcome all the dignitaries present in the valedictory function of the National Conference on Developing Green and Value-Based Business Ecosystem. I, Professor Subhash Masih, Dean Vikrant Institute of Business Management, Indore, take this opportunity to welcome all the eminent guests and members, researchers, faculties, and students, and sincerely hope that it has been an intense learning session for all the participants and the attendees. We are proud to have a host of eminent academicians in our midst. On behalf of Vikrant Group of Institutions, I heartily welcome Dr. S.K. Trivedi, Professor and HOD of Soil Science College of Agriculture, RVSKVV Gwalior, Dr. Shivani Tyagi, Associate Professor, Punjab College of Technical Education, Dr. Rishu Roy, Associate Professor, Sri Vaishnav Vidyapeeth Vishwavidyalaya, Indore, Dr. Suresh Sachdeva, Professor, MLB Arts and Commerce College, Gwalior, for your time spent with the participants of the National Conference. We at Vikrant acknowledge the same and not only welcomes you in this session, but acknowledge your effort for the betterment of the students and the participants as a whole. Welcome all. Over to you, Alka ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, for the continuation, I would like to invite Plenary Session 1 Chair, Dr. Suresh Sachdeva, sir, to share his valuable remarks on the session, and also would like to request to please declare the best paper of the session. Dr. Sachdeva, sir. IT team, can you check, please?
Actually, ma'am, Sachin sir ने अभी join नहीं किया है.
Okay, no problem. Do we have Trivedi sir with us? SK Trivedi sir. Okay, in the continuation only,
He's joining.
I would
ma'am.
like to. Okay, fine.
Rishu ma'am has
Uh,
joined, ma'am.
Rishu ma'am has joined. Let me check.
Yes. She has chaired
Okay, ma'am.
plenary session.
Okay, ma'am. Fine, fine. Fine. For the delays, no problem. I would in the remark, I would like to call our plenary session 2 chair, 3 chair, sorry, Dr. Rishu Roy, ma'am. Please, ma'am, you can come and share your experience for the session, and please declare the results for the session. Over to you, Rishu, ma'am.
Thank you, Alka. First of all, I would like to congratulate you all as a team for organizing such a wonderful conference. I was there in the session of humanities. There were 9 papers there, and 2-3 papers were really good. But as we have to choose the winner, so from my end, the winner was is Dr. Santosh Kumar AV, and he presented a paper on problems faced in recruiting candidates through social media in IT sector. So
heartiest congratulations.
congratulations, Santosh sir.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for the valuable words and the judgment what you did. That will really, and the
Fine.
comments and the suggestions
Thank you.
what you
Thank you, madam.
My pleasure. Congrats, Santosh ji.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, I guess Suresh, sir, Dr. Suresh Sachdeva sir has joined with us. So I would like to invite Professor Dr. Suresh Sachdeva sir.
सर आपको बुला रहे थे
About the session, and please declare the best paper of the session, sir.
Suresh sir, please unmute.
Sir, you are, yes, sir, you are not.
एडमिट एडमिट कर दें एडमिट कर Two people entered the waiting room.
Suresh sir, you can speak now. I think it's unmuted.
अलका मैडम स्टार्ट करें क्या?
जी sir, please start. Sachdeva sir, can you hear me?
ओके ओके मैडम
जी sir, thank you sir. Please, you can start, sir.
ओके जी ओके ओके एडमिट का फिर करना है क्या? नहीं ये तो बार बार आप
सर वो आता रहेगा, हम लोग एडमिट कर देंगे सर, आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं.
ठीक है ओके मैडम ओके
जी सर, जी.
Respected Rathore sir, chairman of this conference, Dr. Rumaiya madam, Dean Academics, members of the organizing committee, Rahul sir, Nitin sir, all the dignitaries, all the participants, and ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for inviting me to this conference and for giving me the opportunity to talk about value-based business ecosystem. I would like to highlight the importance of this conference and the issues related business ecosystem with special reference to the present scenario. What started as a financial crisis has become an economic crisis and is now turning into a social crisis. In many countries, more than 20% of the population are unemployed. Among them, a significant number of young people. Business economic ecosystem is the best way to advance innovative ideas, but we need those ideas not only to create material values, but also to foster social progress. In this respect, we must create a true paradigm shift where social entrepreneurs become a role model. Social entrepreneurs, in our definition, is not philanthropy, it is not charity, and it is not corporate social responsibilities. It is a social invention based on the entrepreneurial enterprise, drive, and action of individuals who are committed in improving the state of the world. Social responsibilities, social entrepreneurs don't depend solely on grants, on government subsidies. They create social and often economic values through pragmatic, visionary ideas. As far as the technical session is concerned in this conference, I just financial theme, and in that technical session, 6 people presented his or her paper. Chandni Keshwani presented her paper on a study on factors affecting financial literacy and its impact on the investment behavior of individual investors of bank and insurance sector. In that paper, I also suggested hypothesis is given in the order, findings are given also in order, but variables should be incorporated, whether we are talking on the basis of the dependent variable or on the basis of the independent variables. Limitations should be given on the basis of the specific. These all types of the suggestions we have already been given in the technical session. Second paper was presented by Ashwin Paul on impact of COVID-19 social waves on microfinance and rural economy. This paper was presented on the basis of the secondary data, and this paper was given on the basis of impact of COVID-19. Hypothesis was not developed in this paper. Objectives were given and conclusion was given in that paper. But some suggestions we have already been given in the technical session. Another paper was presented by Anshuman Mishra on a study of financial performance of selected private banks in India. Different tools have been used in that paper, but I suggested quantitative and qualitative approaches should be given in that paper. And RBI's monetary policy should also be highlighted with special reference to the quantitative approach as well as on the basis of the qualitative approach. Another paper was presented by Ms. Nana on role of intellectual capital on firm value in cement industry. That paper, the purpose of that paper was to examine the relationship between intellectual capital and the firm value measures, profitability, and market valuation of companies in the BSE listed Indian cement firms. Some suggestions we have already been given, Ms. Nana. Another one paper was presented by Suraj Patel on a study on linkage between financial inclusions and economic development, capital formation, how to increase. This should be incorporated in that paper. And this is totally depend on the saving and how to increase the saving. This gap should be also given in that paper, how to increase saving. Some suggestions we have already been incorporated in the technical sessions. And one more paper was presented by Mr. Surinder Pratap, GST and its impact on textile sector in Haryana. The topic was modified, suggestions was given, and the basic purpose of GST is to develop a single unified market, and this will directly affect every sector of Indian economy. So these papers have been produced by different scholars, our faculty members, and different types of the views were presented by different scholars. But the question arises here is, from the research point of view, when we write a paper, some points we have to be keep in our mind as the research student, as the research scholar. First, we have to be develop, understand the assignment. Second one, choose a research paper topic, conduct preliminary research, develop a thesis statement, create a research paper outline. First draft of the research paper should be given. Introduction should be specific. Findings, hypothesis, and objectives should be given, and they are related with the hypothesis. Some points we have to be keep in our mind as the research student when we produce or when we are going to write a paper. These things we have already been discussed in the technical sessions. Now the time has come. Out of the 6 candidates, although it is very clear all the participants have been made best efforts, some new scholars have been entered, some students have been entered. As the senior fellow, I congratulate to all the participants who have directly or indirectly produced or submitted or presented paper in the conference. All the paper were best, no doubt to say. All efforts were made positively. But it is very difficult task how to judge. For this purpose, some criteria have been fixed. On the basis of the different criteria, I declare the best award should be given. Best award goes to Chandni Keswani on the basis of 5 parameters. One thing is related with the novelty of the concept, review of literature, data analysis, knowledge depth and presentations. And on the basis of that, best paper award goes to Chandni Keswani.
Congratulations, Chandni. So you are the plenary 3 best paper.
Okay, and my best wishes, my blessings are with all the research students, and I am very thankful for the organizing committee who directly or indirectly support for the success of this great academic show. I am thankful to the organizing committee. I am thankful, Madam Rupaiya. I am also thankful to chairperson, Nitin ji, Rahul ji, and all the members of the organizing committee. My best wishes are with you. Thank you very much.
थैंक यू सो मच सर, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर। आपने बहुत ही अच्छे से, मुझे लगता है जितने अच्छे अच्छे सजेशंस आपने दिए वो सारे ही प्रेजेंटर्स के लिए कहीं ना कहीं फ्रूटफुल होंगे सर। इनफैक्ट सारे स्कॉलर्स जितने भी सबने ज्वाइन किया है सभी को बहुत ज्यादा इससे हेल्प मिलेगी सर। थैंक यू सो मच सर।
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Now, moving ahead, I would like to call our next plenary session two chairs, that is Dr. S.K. Trivedi sir. Sir, please come and let us know about the experience of your session, and also please declare the best paper of your session.
Okay, thank you very much, madam. Good afternoon to everybody. First of all, I would like to thank organizing secretary for inviting me in this seminar as a chairperson. Now, I would also like to congratulate organizers, particularly Dr. Rumia Agase, Dean Academic, for success this seminar, which is conducted in right time as it is needed for today's situation. Once again, thank you very much. During this plenary session, number 4, there were 6 candidates, but during the presentation, only 5 were present. Before going to declare the best paper presentation's name, I would like to suggest I would like to give some feedback for in climate change. Today's main scenario, everybody knows that climate change is going very fast, and the global warming is alarming us for future work in agriculture, so that we can mitigate some climate change. The first of point is carbon sequestration is a main problem, because carbon is going to be depleted in the soil. So we have to very careful for carbon in soil. The carbon sequestration strategies through agroforestry system and fodder grains as they capture more carbon from the atmospheric. So first we have to conduct experiments for carbon sequestration through fodder crops and agroforestry. Second one is adopt and plan land use strategies to mitigate climate change by reforestation, afforestation, increase carbon density, reduce emission from degraded lands by pollution. Third one is environmental resource management strategies is needed at present for mitigating the global warming. Some points are also I have noted. These studies should be on elevated CO2 and temperature, be conducted for further agriculture planning and sustainable production. Next is precision farming should be adopted for suitable agriculture. Next is to improve soil quality, agroforestry models have to be developed for different agroclimatic zone according to climate change. These are the some points which we have to go for this if we want to mitigate some climate change or global warming, because otherwise we are just seeing that lot of the diseases, lot of the problems are creating due to the climate change, like that suppose some diseases, or we can say the depletion of the yield of the crops, because raising of the temperature, raising of the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. So we have to do something about these points so that we can mitigate the climate change. So now I come to the point in plenary session number 4, which was science, technology and agriculture. The 5 participants were there. They have presented very well, but I found that some papers on the basis of the article or review article, not on research article. They have done very good job. They have presented very well. But in my opinion, there should be some research work, not article. Article is a different thing. And in this type of conferences, seminar, some research work should be presented. What you have done, so that it can be disseminated to all scientists and farmers. Okay. Now there were 5 candidates. First was Arvind Supat. He presented on trends on technologies, farming management, information system with uses of eco-friendly business techniques and developing knowledge of farmers about techno farmings. He presented very well, but he presented very shortly, not elaborately. And second one was Bhupati Raj. He presented on photovoltaic system. Photovoltaic system is okay, but it is not related to much more with agriculture. It is very different thing. It is definitely it is good for future to save the electricity, but this time it is somehow it is different with the agriculture. Next was Dr. Suresh, but presented by Rajeshri Patil. She presented very well on biodiversity governance, but she just read the all PowerPoints. Not just that was looking just an article of governance biodiversity. Next was Shri Shaktival from Tamil Nadu. He presented very well on climate change, on different fruits and vegetables, but that was only review articles. He collected some reviews from here and there, and he presented, but his presentation was very nice. And last, Dr. Neeraj Singh Manhas, he presented very well. He done research work, what he presented. So I thought he presented very introductions, up to introduction to conclusion. He presented in well mannered in methodology, result and discussion and collection of the data. So I appreciate with him. So now on the basis of this presentation, in my opinion, Dr. Neeraj Singh Manhas presented best paper. So the award should be given to Neeraj Manhas. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your elaborate and very introspective presentation on the plenary session 4, and congratulations, Neeraj. We will be giving opportunity to the best paper presenters to speak at the end of the session. So please wait till this part of the program gets over. Over to Alka ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very, very much for your valuable words. Now, I would like to invite our plenary session 2 chair, Dr. Shivani Tyagi ma'am. Ma'am, please come up and share some of your experience about the session, and please declare the best paper award of the session. Please, ma'am.
A very good afternoon to one and all present here. On the outset, I'd like to thank you all to have given me this opportunity to be a part of this prestigious event. But I'd also like to congratulate especially Dr. Rumi Agashe for organizing it at a level where we've created a platform for researchers all over India to come and participate. The plenary session was about consumer behavior and marketing. So you see, consumer behavior seems to be a very overused topic in management and marketing especially. However, we have to accept that it never ceases to amaze us as consumer behavior, the concept continues to evolve with changing times, changing social environment and the technology. And probably the pandemic has given us another platform to understand that how consumer behavior changes when times like these change. During the session, we had 8 presenters, and I was very happy to see that most of them were students, research scholars, and making their best effort to conduct research in the best possible way. I think I think we're doing something good because we are encouraging students to take up research. And I think I like to, congratulate everyone on this, everyone present over here. Now, if I had to go through the list of our topics. So to start with, we had Mr. Abhay Singh Rajput, who talked about the impact of consumer socialization on online purchase intention of smartphones. Then we had Mr. Nair, Rajendran Nair, to talk about the ethics and values of education and marketing. We also had Ribadam Singh, who discussed about the consumer preference analysis for free music application in India, very contemporary. Then we had Mr. Ambrish Ghosh, who talked about the talent management and its impact on sales performance, a study on the Indian pharmaceutical industry. Dr. Nagesh YG, along with his associate, talked about a study on the recent trends in consumer buying behavior. Once again, very relevant to the pandemic situation right now. And nothing goes out of market, it stays here. Therefore, consumer behavior changes, and it is important for us to understand. Another study was conducted by Mr. Prateek Sarkar and Srishti Saini about the imperative utilization of mannequins and their influence on consumer buying decisions and behavior. Then Zaima Wahija, along with her associate, presented on influence of social media marketing on consumer behavior, an investigative study of transition era of traditional to modern digital marketing. And lastly, the presentation was on customer engagement, an inferential study on buying behavior of women customers of cosmetic products in Bangalore, given by Undrella Chakrabarti and Anshita Sharma. The presenters did a good job based on the parameters we were to evaluate their research articles. I'd like to present the winner. See, it is difficult to find one of all the so many good presenters we had, so it was definitely a difficult job. So the best paper for this session goes to Ms. Undrella Chakrabarti and Ms. Anshita Sharma for the study on the customer engagement and inferential study on buying behavior of women customers of cosmetic products in Bangalore. Of course, the scope of the study would have been restricted to Bangalore. I'd like to state here because there were many other studies that many other presentations that we went through, which would seem to be more interesting, but the crispness, the clarity, and the technicality of the research, if it is kept in line, then probably that's how Anshita and Undrella did their work. So congratulations to both of them, and congratulations to everybody else who has participated in this. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and congratulations to the winner. Stay tuned. You'll be given a chance to share your experience. Over to Alka, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for motivating all of us as a scholar, as a student, as a member of the team. Thank you so much. Moving ahead, I would like to call our Dean Academics, Dr. Rumia Agashi, ma'am, for a brief report session. Please, ma'am, you can come and share your report with us. Ma'am, you are muted.
Right. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So the day started very early today, and here we are at the VAL function. The thing that we conceptualized almost a month and a half back is in place now, and we as the entire organizing committee team really deem it a privilege to welcome all the dignitaries for the WAL function here. Today amongst us, we have Dr. Shivani Tyagi, and she is a management practitioner, a renowned research guide, of very favorite student and teacher to various eminent B college across India. She has taught in Pune, she has been into Ludhiana, I can see Wellington and whatnot. She is a well-traveled research personnel, chairing many sessions across and with a certified course from MDP and course from IIM Ahmedabad. A very warm welcome and thank you, ma'am, for chairing the first session. In the plenary session 2, we had Dr. Rishu Roy, my personal mentor, and associate professor from Sri Vaishnav Vidyapeeth, Vishwavidyalaya. She has been the former director for Sangvi Institute of Management in Indore and has over 18 years of experience towards teaching into higher education. In the plenary session 3, we had Dr. Suresh Sachdeva. He is called the Lord of Finance, a PhD and DLit, which is a rare in finance sector, with over 34 years of experience and more than 175 research paper. A hearty welcome to you, sir, and thank you so much for chairing the plenary session 3. For the plenary session 4, we had Dr. S.K. Trivedi, professor and head of Soil Science and Agriculture College of Gwalior. Sir has again a tremendous experience. He has guided over 30 MSc papers, MSc students and 5 PhD students. Thank you, sir, for chairing the plenary session 4. When it comes to giving the brief report of the conference, I cannot thank more than all the teaching fraternity who have joined across India and international to this national seminar. We had over 320 registered participants to the college, to this national seminar, with over 80 colleges participating in various events of this national fest. Across the, I would say, plinth, from east to west, from north to south, and to the center of India, we had colleges participating. The research paper, we divided it into 4 domains, wherein we received 37 papers in marketing domain. Humanities, organization, behavior domain, we received 21 papers. Finance and commerce stream, we received 19 papers, and so went with the agriculture. When I talk about these papers that came up and at an overwhelming response, we would also like to congratulate those whose papers were not selected for the conference due to time restriction and because the platform was virtual. But all the papers in a way had added our motivation and towards hosting such national conferences, and we look forward that even in the next national conference that we host, all of you are given chance to present. There were hardly 10, 8, 7, and 5 papers that were presented in the plenary conference due to lack of time and the restrict of online virtual platform. But congratulations to all the participants. Morning session started with a storm with 5 expert talks by various industry. A glimpse of the screenshots I'm sharing hereby as a part of report. We had Mr. Sanjay Desai from Singapore connected with us. We had CEO Aspire for Us, who gave an exceptional speaking on inclusion and gender aspect. Then we had Dr. Bhavani MR from Bangalore, who connected with us and talked about the integrated business ecosystem and how it can be implemented in a strategic manner. We also had Mr. Suchit Sikaria, who spoke about Digital Bharat and Atmanirbhar Bharat. And these are various screenshots of the plenary sessions that happened, a smiling face of all the research presenters over here. On that note, I would end the day's activity that happened today, and with the permission of Chair, that is Dr. And Mr. R.S. Rathore, Chairman, Vikrant Group of Institution, I would like to unveil the souvenir. Rathore, sir, with your permission.
Yes, please, permitted, Dr. Omia.
So over this conference, a link in the chat box, the souvenir is available. This souvenir comprises of all the abstracts that were presented in this conference, along with a brief report on the proceedings of this conference. This will be a valued souvenir remembered by both the presenters, the audience, and us. The link is available. It is a PDF file of 40 pages. Thank you, sir. With that, I end my report.
Thank you so much, Rumya ma'am. Actually, you refreshed the whole day, what all happened, and it was really very good to listen all these things again and revising what you did today. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, I would like to invite our Honorable Secretary, sir, Shri Vikrant Singh Rathore, sir, to please come and share his views on the platform. Please, sir.
Good afternoon. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Hello. I hope all of you are keeping safe and are in great health. What a wonderful day it has been. We have got some great insights from the thought leaders of the country on how a green and value-based business ecosystem can shape the future of humanity. Being a nature and wildlife enthusiast myself, I understand how important it is to move towards green and value-based business ecosystems. As you believe it or not, we humans have inflicted a lot of damage to our planet and have exploited its natural resources while crossing all the limits. This pandemic is probably one of the ways the nature is getting back at us. So I truly believe that all of us must take away some important points and conclusions from this conference and try to bring a positive change in our own businesses and communities. In the end, I must thank all the leaders, young researchers, and experts who have joined us from various regions of the country. It was a real privilege to hear all of you, and you all have given us a lot of food for thought. Last but not the least, I would like to congratulate Dr. Rumya ma'am and the whole team of VGI Gwalior and Indore for their incredible effort in organizing this national conference. It takes a lot of effort, a lot of coordination, a lot of teamwork, and you all have done really well. Congratulations. Thank you, everyone. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thanks.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Now, obviously not last, but I would really like to invite our Honorable Chairman, sir, जिनके वर्ड्स के बिना शायद हमारा ये पूरा कॉन्फ्रेंस अधूरा है. जब तक सर अपने विचार हम लोगों के साथ शेयर नहीं करेंगे, जब तक सर आप अपने इनपुट्स नहीं देंगे, how was the conference and all. So I would like to invite you, sir, Shri R.S. Rathore, sir, please come and have a closing remarks for this session. Please, sir.
Thank you, Alga.
Thank you.
क्लोजिंग रिमार्क के लिए बोला गया. मैं इस इतनी असाधारण रूप से सफल इस कॉन्फ्रेंस को क्लोज कैसे करूं, मैं बड़ी दुविधा में हूं, है ना. क्योंकि सुबह से मैं देख रहा हूं कि आप सभी के अथक प्रयासों से और हमारे जो अतिथि आए, जो विभिन्न स्थानों से हमारे साथ जुड़े, अपनी विशेषज्ञ सलाहें दी. विशेष रूप से जो सेकंड सेशन हुआ, प्लेनरी सेशन जिसको बोलते हैं, और उसमें हमारे चारों गेस्ट अलग अलग स्थानों से आए हैं, पूरा समय दिया, पूरा रिसर्चर्स को उन्होंने मोटिवेट किया, बहुत गहराई से गहन अध्ययन किया सभी शोध पत्रों का, और इतनी दुविधापूर्ण स्थिति में रहे होंगे. जैसा डॉक्टर सचदेवा के चेहरे से मुझे लग भी रहा था कि बहुत दुविधा में रहे होंगे कि बाद में फर्स्ट और विनर किसको घोषित करें, क्योंकि बहुत मेहनत किया रहता है सभी ने. मैं सुबह से देख रहा था, कई बार मैं सभी सेशंस में एंटर करने की कोशिश किया, जितना समय मिला मैंने देखा. बहुत बेहतरीन तरीके से इस पैंडेमिक के समय में भी, जबकि पूरी दुनिया निराश बैठी हुई है, तब हमारे लोगों ने, हमारे शोधार्थियों ने, हमारे प्रोफेसर्स ने बहुत बेहतरीन तरीके से और एक ऐसे विषय पर परिचर्चा किया जिससे कि मैंने सुबह भी बोला था कि हम ये सिद्ध कर सकेंगे कि केवल उड़ान भरना ही बहुत कुछ नहीं होता है। ऐसा नहीं कि हमने फर्टिलाइजर डाल दिया, बम्पर क्रॉप हुए और सबको हमने ये कह दिया कि सब वी आर मोस्ट सक्सेसफुल, है ना, क्योंकि हमने बहुत सारे लोगों को निर्यात कर दिया, अपना बिजनेस कर लिया, सब कर लिया। लेकिन आज का विषय ये था सस्टेनेबिलिटी का, तो कैसे हम पर्यावरण को सुरक्षित रखते हुए या कैसे उसके प्रति संवेदनशील होते हुए हम अपने व्यापार को भी बढ़ाएं, अपने उद्योगों को भी बढ़ाएं, हम रोजगार का सृजन करें और दीर्घ काल तक उसको हम स्थायित्व प्रदान करें ताकि दुनिया के लिए अनुकरणीय हो। हमारी अपनी संस्कृति में भी वसुधैव कुटुंबकम के आधार पर जब हम चलते हैं तो पूरी पृथ्वी को हम एक अपना ही कुटुंब मानते हैं। और हमारे आज के विषय का निश्चित रूप से समस्त दुनिया में, पूरी दुनिया में इसका व्यापक प्रभाव पड़ेगा। मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि हमारे इन शोध पत्रों पर दुनिया के बड़े बड़े विशेषज्ञ ध्यान देंगे। आप सभी ने ध्यान आकर्षित कराया। मैं प्रातःकाल के जो प्रथम सेशन हुआ था, डॉक्टर संजय त्यागी साहब, मधुरा मैम साहब, विशाल ठाकुर साहब, डॉक्टर भवानी साहब और सुचित सिकारिया साहब, बहुत बेहतर तरीके से आपने गाइड किया और बहुत अच्छे एक्सपर्ट के तौर पे आपने एक्सपर्ट होने का अपना गौरव हमको प्रदान किया। अभी के सेशन में जिसमें कि निर्णायक की भूमिका सबसे ज्यादा अहम होती है, मैं प्रणाम करता हूं सभी निर्णायकों को, विशेष रूप से प्रोफेसर शिवानी त्यागी, डॉक्टर ऋषु रॉय, डॉक्टर सुरेश जसदेवा साहब, डॉक्टर एस.के. त्रिवेदी साहब, जिन्होंने बहुत तन्मयता से सुना भी होगा और निर्णय देने में बहुत दुविधा रही होगी, लेकिन आपने निर्णय बहुत बेहतर दिए होंगे, निष्पक्ष दिए होंगे, ऐसी पूरी मुझे उम्मीद है। मैं आप सभी का नमन करता हूं और आपको प्रणाम करता हूं। डॉक्टर साहब, जितने भी अतिथि आए, हमारे साथ जुड़े आज इस राष्ट्रीय अंतर्राष्ट्रीय परिचर्चा में, सभी को मैं आभार व्यक्त करते हुए अनुरोध करता हूं कि भविष्य में भी विक्रांत समूह को आपके आशीर्वाद की आवश्यकता रहेगी। जब भी इस प्रकार के कोई आयोजन हो, हम चाहेंगे कि रूबरू विक्रांत के परिसर में ही आपके दर्शन हो। कभी भी आप अपना आशीर्वाद बनाए रखने के लिए उदार मन से हमारे ऊपर अपनी कृपा बनाए रखना। तीसरा, मैं जो सबसे अहम चीज है वो एक बोलना चाह रहा था, वो उसको चाहे क्लोजिंग रिमार्क मान लें प्रोफेसर अलका, कि इतने बड़े आयोजन में बहुत दिनों से हमारे पूरी टीम लगी हुई थी और बिना टीम वर्क के ये संभव नहीं होता, इतने बड़े आयोजन, इनकी सफलता, क्योंकि देश और विदेशों से भी हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं लोग। तो मैं विशेष रूप से इस टीम की लीडर हमारी प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर रोमिया आगाशे और उनकी टीम में जितने भी टीम है, प्रोफेसर अलका, नितिन अग्रवाल साहब, डॉक्टर राहुल और अनेक हमारे पूरे ग्रुप के तमाम लोग जुड़े हुए हैं, प्रोफेसर सुभाष मसीह, जिन्होंने इस पूरे आयोजन को बड़ा सफलता प्रदान किया और बहुत सुचिता प्रदान किया। ऐसे आयोजन के लिए आपकी टीम वर्क, आपकी आईटी का सपोर्ट, हमारे इंजीनियरिंग के विंग का सपोर्ट, सभी के लिए मैं बहुत प्रसन्नता व्यक्त करते हुए, सभी का अभिवादन करते हुए, सभी को शुभकामनाएं देता हूं और पूरे विक्रांत समूह की ओर से आप सभी को, पार्टिसिपेंट्स को बधाई देता हूं। जो विनर्स हुए हैं वो तो बधाई के पात्र हैं ही, लेकिन जिन्होंने अपने शोध पत्र प्रस्तुत भी किए हैं और पढ़ाए हैं, अध्ययन किया है, उन सभी को मैं बहुत बधाई देते हुए अपने शब्दों को विराम देता हूं। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय विक्रांत।
बहुत धन्यवाद सर, आपके इसी आशीर्वाद और इन ब्लेसिंग्स की हमें हमेशा जरूरत पड़ेगी सर। थैंक यू सो मच। सर मैं सभी से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगी, हम एक ग्रुप फोटो लेना चाहते हैं, तो प्लीज अपने कैमरे स्विच ऑन कर लीजिए एंड वुड रियली लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट द आईटी टीम कि सर प्लीज एक स्नैप ले लीजिए सभी का। आई थिंक हो गया सर।
राइट मैम, शायद हो गया है।
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, IT team. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Before we conclude, ma'am, there is a request from in the chat box by participants if they want to say something. I think Ranganathan N has put up a request. He wanted to.
Yes, Dr. Rumi, आपने शायद पहले अनाउंस भी किया था। शायद स्लिप हो गया होगा।
हाँ हाँ।
Let them speak. Let them speak, please.
We need to give the winners a few minutes more.
Yes. Yeah. So all the participants, if anybody wants to say anything, I think you can switch on your video and unmute yourself now.
I think Anshita is there from the plenary session 1. She's the winner. Anshita, you want to say something? Anshita and Andrila are there.
Yeah, sure. I think our Professor Guru sir is the more appropriate person because he has guided us all the way. And from my side, I really thank all the team from the Vikrant, Rumya ma'am, we were in contact with you, and especially Dr. Shivani. Thank you, ma'am, so much for giving us a very constructive feedback as to what can be done and what are the suggestions, and we would surely incorporate. And I would like Professor Guru to speak on our behalf because he has been one pillar of support for all of us.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Dr. Guru Aradhya from ISBR Business School, Associate Professor, Department of Marketing and International Business. I really wanted to first and foremost congratulate the entire team of Vikrant, and special thanks for Dr. Rumia. Ma'am, definitely because of you, I think our students have presented the paper, and definitely it has made a very big day for us, basically. So very beautifully and well structuredly organized from the entire session. From the morning, I was listening to all the technical sessions and the plenary sessions. Everything is clear, neatly articulated and written as very beautifully organized. Ma'am, thank you very much for the first time. Then second one, my plenary session, Dr. Shivani ma'am, really, you were really awesome. And the kind of the feedback you have given to all the 3 papers of ISBR school, it is really a very validated, and my really special thanks to you, ma'am. And you really appreciated the students' presentations research paper. So definitely, ma'am, thank you, and really very much happy. And special thanks to Subhash sir. Subhash sir, as a moderator, you did a very fantastic job. You really did a very fantastic job. And my special thanks for Rakesh sir and Rahul sir also organizing such a beautiful national conference. So I'm very much happy, and definitely sir, looking forward to have some more conferences, not in online. Definitely we wanted to meet you personally. Please do organize some of the events, invite us. Definitely from ISBR, definitely one team will be representing from our side. Thank you sir, thank you very much.
Thank you, Guru sir.
Dr. Guru, your students actually did a wonderful job. All 3 papers that have come from your side have been good, very structured.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, Shivani ma'am.
Can I say something, Professor Alka?
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Sure, ma'am. Please go ahead.
I'd like to make a mention to one paper. Now, this was about the new trends of consumer behavior towards ethics in marketing for education. It was very well done, and it felt so relevant when I was going through the paper. So I have a request, Rumya ma'am, kindly if you could make it available to all of us, because we are all academicians. And we are in the
available. All papers are available in the souvenir in the abstract form. And within the span of 2 months, ma'am, a journal would come up which would carry all the papers, all the relevant papers, ma'am. Not all papers,
yes.
But all the relevant
So
papers.
I'd actually like to congratulate Mr. K.B. Rajendran Nair He's done a very good job, and we all should read it. I'd recommend that. Thank you.
And it's my small feedback because I'm Ranga and I'm from Sheshadripuram Union Degree College from Bangalore. And first of all, I'm really congratulate Rumia Agase Madam to organize the event in very wonderful manner, because I can't able to rate it how much marks I'm going to given on that. And where I'm really humbled and grateful to you, Madam. And especially for one more thing, I like the fluency of the Subhas sir. It's really liked a lot from the beginning to end session. It's moderated very well. And especially the two more things I'm going to make a recommendation are going to tell you that the first thing, because due to the pandemic, we are moving from the traditional to virtual mode. Because in this what happened, because Vikram, okay, so I will attend so many conferences and seminars, but because everybody should be forgot our Indian culture. But especially when you come to the Vikrant group of institution, you're taking a chalice to lighting the lamp. That is our Indian culture should be demonstrated to the online. It's one of the very good thing I'm going to identify it. And this is very wonderful, sir, because really the Vikrant group of institution, they are going to represent in our Indian culture. And one more special...
Rakesh Rathore, sir, for us, ethics is primary, you know.
Yeah, definitely, so it's very good. And one more special thing I'm going to identify, because most of the colleges have a secretary in the position of secretary is a very senior, is most of a 30 and 40 years experience. And one more good thing I want to see in this Vikrant group of institution, and you have a young and energetic, I thought you're looking young brigadier of your secretary, sir. I don't know his name exactly, because sir, especially for it's come up with the good ideas and good implementations and technologies related to the growth of your Vikrant group of institution. And also I thought because it's one of the rare blood to come up with his handover to support to growing of the Vikrant group of institution. And thank you so much for providing this opportunity to explore my opinion. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Ranga.
Anybody else wants to share something?
Can I say?
Yes, please.
Good afternoon, one and all. I am Neeraj Singh Manas, and I am PhD research scholar at Sardar Patel University, Gujarat. I really want to thank Dr. S.K. Trivedi sir, who was the moderator in our plenary session 4. And I want to thank the organizing committee of Vikrant Institute of Group, who was very much humble, and they have organized this event in such a short notice. And coming to the research, I just want to say that to all the researchers and the participants who presented their paper today, that when it comes to a research, no matter, I'm from the political science background, and this whole thing was going on with the management thing, but no matter, when it comes to a research, we need to focus on the research areas. And in this pandemic, it was getting very much difficult for me also, to do it actual research so for the farmers. And I worked on a paper like the agriculture reforms in India. So I just the current situation, the current location where I'm staying, I thought of doing it on the farmers of Anand district. So most of the things were not available to me, but somehow I managed to do it. But in the last, when I get the good result out of it, I was very much happy and satisfied that something, the kind of a very pragmatic result came out. And I was very happy that everyone should also get into that. Instead of I also participated in many of the events before this, whether it's a national or international conference. And in that also, we have learned so many things, what all things need to be done, how actual the research takes place when we want to do. So actually, learning from all these events, I implemented this on, in this national conference, and it really gave me a good result. So I just want to tell everyone who is doing research right now and the students who participated today, just, when it comes for research, just go for it, no matter whether you're from which subject. Research means research, and it should be very much practical and empirical. And because the result should, come out in a very good way. So that's all, and thanks to everyone who were there in the presentation today. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Neeraj.
May I?
Sure, ma'am. Please go ahead.
Yeah. This is Dr. Annapurna Kishore from Bangalore. Let me congratulate first Vikrant Group of Institutions, Rakesh sir, Secretary sir, Rahul sir, Alka ma'am, Rumia ma'am, and Prajakta ma'am. You people are really very nice human beings, because since maybe since 15 days, I just got some news about the things that I got a research work. Then it is not possible for me to attend the morning. Especially Kushwa sir, whenever I gave a call to you, even you are busy, so you took a call from my side. It's a virtual days are happening now. We don't know whether people are responding properly or not, but he always responded my call. He guided me, ma'am, aap aise karo, if you are not, because I was not available in the morning hours, but from the talk from the people who are all attended, it's really a, it seems to be a great occasion to all. I personally know the Bhavani ma'am. She's really excellent. She's from Bangalore. I personally know her, and I just saw the keynote speakers. Really, you have selected each and every category in a very nicer manner. It is the teamwork. Kudos to the team. I wish the great success in the coming years also. My one humble request to Secretary Sir and Rakesh sir that please do add intellectual property right as another sub-theme, because NEP 2020 is going to be more focusing on intellectual property rights, because you have kept your title as the green business model, or anything you take, ma'am, whether it is life science, whether it is commerce, whether it's arts, wherever you go, intellectual property rights will follow you. So the regime is now in the force. The policy has become law now. Each and everything you take, any assessment, accreditation process, everything ask about intellectual property profile of the institute and a person. It's just a humble request to you to add it. That's it. And Rakesh sir is saying something. Can you please unmute Rakesh sir?
Rakesh sir, you can unmute yourself, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your suggestion, valuable suggestion.
Thank you.
Keep it in mind and we will go ahead.
Thank you, sir. That's very sweet of you. You accepted so instantly. So this shows that what is the leadership party is, sir. I'm very humbled. So whenever I present the papers, wherever I go, it is a neglected portion, because as I am an intellectual property agent from the Government of India, I see that all the conferences, they really do excel, but somewhere they forget about intellectual properties. So much of intellectual things are happening at the institute level, at the national level, at the international level, but the regime is somewhere taking a last seat. So all intellectual, just let them shine. That is only wish, ma'am. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to express my expressions to you all. And thanks to Rakesh, that such a humble person he is. Thank you, sir. I wish you all once again a great success in coming all endeavors. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. We'll certainly implement and add the sub-theme on IPR in the coming seminars, workshops, and we'll look into matter that things are done, and you come at us as a resource person.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, morning I didn't attend because of the same thing, ma'am. I said to Rahul sir that I had one session to attend as the resource person in some science college, ma'am. I missed the morning session, but I'm really happy, very much happy that I seen all you here. Is such a teamwork. Let me congratulate once again you such a great coordination, cooperation, and all smiling, bright smiling faces on the screen. I really wish you great luck.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Anyone else?
Chandni, ma'am. Miss Chandni
Keshwani. Yeah.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I want to thank the organizers, especially you, Dr. Rumia. It feels really great, when I call you Dr. Rumia. We have been together.
Yes.
We started our journey of research together, I guess.
Yes, ma'am.
It really feels so good to share a platform with you and such great learned legends of this field. Sachdeva sir, who was there in the plenary session 3. He's such a learned person and such a humble person. I thank him for giving his valuable suggestions, which he was trying to give to each and every participant with so much of humility and so much of understanding of the fact that everyone is a research scholar and they have just started their research journey. So a big thanks to him and a big thanks to the organizers, Vikrant Institute of Technology and Management, Rahul sir, and all the team, to the team, complete team. Thank you very much. And congratulations for such a great event. Wish you all the best for many more such events and success in all the endeavors you go for.
Thank you, Chandni. I wasn't knowing you were participating. I just came to know when you spoke.
I thought it should be a surprise for you.
Yes. Thank you and congratulations. On that note, we have so many participants across and we have not been able to invite you to our campus. So a 1-minute video on a virtual visit to our campus. Over to IT team, 1-minute video. IT team, could you share a video of our virtual campus? Yes. Thank you. I would request our convener, our National Conference convener, Dr. Rahul Kushwaha sir, to just say a few words at the end.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you to top management, our college, and thank you to all participants who are joined from different state in our national conference. Thank you to everyone. Thank you to my team. Thank you, Dean Academic, Dr. Rumia Agassi. It's without can't possible to success complete our event. So thank you everyone. Thanks a lot. Over to you, ma'am. Thank you, Alka.
I'll come on before you lead, and we are running out of time, so I'll take the opportunity to propose the vote of
Okay,
thanks.
ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
So, giving vote of thanks is the toughest thing because you end up missing out so many silent elements that makes an event successful. I will start by thanking all the expert session chairs, plenary session chairs. I would like to thank all the research scholars. Without your contribution, this session, this conference would have not been possible. So thank you, research scholars. Thank you, judges, expert chairs. I would like to thank all the guests who have joined us from Nepal, Singapore, Dubai. Thank you so much for joining us on a Sunday. I would like to thank our Honorable Chairman, Sir Shri Aris Rathore for constantly motivating us, for giving us resources towards these conducting of these national conferences. It is your push that makes us stride one bit ahead every single day. I would like to thank our Managing Director, Sir, Shri Nitin Singh Tomar, for joining us today in the morning session, evening, valedictory session. He could not make it, but thank you, sir. I would like to thank our young secretary, sir, from Gwalior campus. Without your innovative thoughts, that becomes food for us to act upon. So thank you so much for the opportunity. I would like to thank Principal, sir, for both the campuses, Anand, sir, Jiten Rodia, sir, Subhash Masih, sir, Dean Management from Indore campus, for your continuous supports towards organizing this conference. I would like to now thank my team members, starting from Rahul, sir, the convener, Nitin, sir, the co-convener, the managing committee, including Ashish Yadav, sir, from Law Department, Varun, sir, from Management Department, Professor Alka, ma'am, from Management Department, Prajakta, ma'am, from Management Department, admin, Captain Dr. Sanjay Kushwaha, sir, our exam controller, Tarun Bhalla, sir, and all the members of Vikrant team for the support and valued inputs and time to time. And last but not the least, I cannot forget to thank the IT team who has smoothly conducted and managed all the sessions properly. Thank you so much for joining us. Looking forward for the next conference very soon. Thank you.